Education is the foundation of success, but school is often about studying instead of practicing and sparking entrepreneurship skills. That's why we are introducing YFS Entrepreneurship Learning Platform for all students at school level who aspire to become competent entrepreneurs. Welcome to YFS. Your first startup program is offline program that consists of activities and 12 to 15 case study based session. The program or workshop is a 15 days short course through twice a week under the structure below. YFS Sparking Entrepreneurship Level 1 for Class 6 to 8. YFS Sparking Entrepreneurship Level 2 for Class 9 to 12. YFS is trying to create program for students so that they can learn real-world skills from corporate case studies which boost their creativity, confidence and entrepreneurial spirit, which will bring clarity and develop necessary life skills like financial literacy, generate ideas, problem solving, take perfect decisions, reach maximum goals, pitching. More about business startup. By the end of the program, the students will have developed a well-rounded personality as global leaders. And all participated students and school faculty will be awarded by the Certificate of Completion. We have tie-up with AU associated with Government of India DST Delhi. Students may also participate in our inter-school competition to prove their skills and can get a chance to win cash prize, awards, internship opportunity in our company and many more. Don't wait, go for it now. For more information, contact us. www.yourfirststartup.in. Thank you.